Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add to my list on the Netflix app in 2021. Very simple and easy to do. Now, all you want to do is go over to your Netflix application and open that up. Once you're on your Netflix application, you just want to scroll down to anything that you would like to add to your list. So let's just say if I wanted to add Designated Survivor to my list, I can go ahead and click on Designated Survivor. And then if you just scroll down, and you'll see an option for My List right here. So all you have to do is click on My List. It will then add it to your list. Now, to access your list, to watch it, all you have to do is go back to the main area of Netflix, and then you will see an option just on the top right of your screen saying My List. If you were to click on that, you will then see Designated Survivor is right here, and it's added to your list. You're able to keep track of what episode you're on and stuff like that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to add stuff to your list. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.